Well, I did the nature feeding. I could see that there are no deer. It is going to be rut season, so I put out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and that. But this was all filled, so they did not come. Somebody came and rummaged a little in the apples, but that even is lowering itself. Seeds were still here. I didn't have to give anything. So the animals they're doing their thing. It's fall. See, this is all from yesterday. I didn't have to put anything out. And it's quiet. Okay? It's not bad. Not bad at all. Fall is in session. Now I just got the one cat to grab and spay and neuter and release. Beautiful little Buttons. If I can get the little girl pushed over. It's okay, Buttons. You need water? I have to give you some fresh water. Here we go.